Hello guys, so tuloy natin yung vlog natin, yung lessons natin about cloud computing fundamentals. So, ito pa rin tayo sa page ng Microsoft Learn, okay? Regarding intro to Azure fundamentals. Okay? So, ito yung topic natin ngayon. What are public, private, and hybrid clouds? So, ito guys yung mga deployment models. Okay? May tatlong klase, public, private, and hybrid. So, there are three deployment models for cloud computing. Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Each deployment model has different aspects that you should consider as you migrate to the cloud. Okay? So, usually ang recommended nila ay hybrid. So, you still have your own data center and then you use the cloud. Okay? The provider's data center. So, tingnan natin isa-isa. No? Deployment model, public cloud. So, pag sinabi public, ito yung magsusubscribe ka sa cloud providers like Amazon and Microsoft or Google. Services are offered over the public internet and available to anyone who wants to purchase them. Cloud resources like servers and storage are owned and operated by third-party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. So, yun nga, provided siya ng third-party service. Yun yung public. So, you don't own the server or the data centers. Private cloud, ito naman, no? Computing resources are usually exclusive by users from one business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located at your organization and site data center, or it can be hosted by a third-party service provider. Okay, so private, pwedeng sa iyong data center. Pwede din pala na kumuha ka ng private cloud from other third party, pero exclusive lang sa iyo yung infra na yun. So, hindi siya shared. Okay? Usually kasi pag public cloud, shared yung resources sa ibang company. Unlike here, ikaw lang yung may access. Okay, so, or ikaw lang yung gumagamit ng resources na yun. Nakaalat lang talaga siya sa'yo. Okay, hybrid cloud naman. This computing environment combines a public cloud and private cloud by allowing data and applications can be shared between them. So, yan, pinagsama mo lang itong public at private. Hybrid na siya. Okay, ito yung illustration. So, ito, no, on-premise, itong itim sa gray, yan yung on-premise. So, may physical server ka o machines, pwede ka nang mag-setup ng virtual machines, okay? Ganun din naman, pag nag-subscribe ka sa IaaS, pwede ka mag-setup ng virtual machines, or pwede ka rin mag-subscribe sa platform and software as a service. So, yan, pwede mong i-combine yung public cloud sa private cloud, okay? So, shared lower cost. So, kasi shared resource nga itong public cloud, kaya lower cost. Dedicated higher cost. So, kasi dahil dedicated sa'yo, mas mataas yung cost. Saka mas ikaw mag-admin. Okay? So, may administration. Dito, you don't need to admin na lower administration. Almost no administration. So, yun guys. So, tatlong klase, no? Meron tayong tatlong klase ng deployment models. Public, private, and hybrid. So, public, ito yung shared resource, less administration. Private cloud, ito yung exclusive. Dedicated sa iyo yung resources, but high administration. Hybrid is a combination of public and private. So guys, thanks for listening. That's all for the fundamentals of cloud computing. Hopefully, if you want to understand more, you can just repeat the videos. So, kada header dito, kada topic dito may videos tayo na napinost. So, pwede mo siyang balik-balikan hanggang maintindihan mo siya. And maybe, pag may time pa tayo, we can discuss what is the next topic. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Good luck and have a great day.